হ্যালো ভিউয়ার, আজকে আমরা জানবো যারা বাংলাদেশ সর্বপ্রথম গোল্ডেন প্লে বাটনে তাদের কাহিনী সম্পর্কে। চলুন তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। যারা এখন আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেন অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিন।
Hey guys, welcome to a very special video, and I'm extremely delighted to share this moment with you because today we're about to see something and witness something in front of our eyes for the first time in Bangladesh. I know you have achieved a lot of things in life, but you know what's one of the coolest thing that you have achieved recently?
Tell me.
Alright, so you have been working for Bongo and with Bongo since it started. What do you think is the biggest achievement of yours?
I mean, we've done a lot. I think there's too many things to count, but I think given that Eid is coming up,
Right.
something that would be really nice for our team, our company, our fans, everybody would be to finally get the long-awaited gold play button that YouTube has promised us and we've been waiting for.
Exactly. That's amazing because I think God has surely listened to you, and YouTube has finally sent the ED for Ahat Bhai, which is the gold play button, and we have that with us.
No, where?
It's there. Can I have the gold button right now? And it's here.
What, it came?
Oh yes, it did. Guys, this is happening, alright? বাংলাদেশে প্রথম গোল্ড প্লে বাটন আসলো বঙ্গোর জন্য. The whole team has worked.
Milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
Rick.
Thank you. Thanks, Rick.
Thanks, Rick.
Oh, another letter from Susan.
Right.
Rick and Susan. You're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas.
Nice. Bigger than Vancouver.
Forget about Rick now. Thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you, Rick. We need some brown people on this letter.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hard work does pay off.
Awesome.
I would like to take a moment to thank all our subscribers. আজকে আমরা এই বাটনটা পেয়েছি আপনাদের জন্য বিকজ আপনারা সাবস্ক্রাইব না করলে আপনারা বঙ্গোর ভিডিওস না দেখলে এই বাটনটা পাওয়া পসিবল হতো না. You guys have supported us. Bongo has achieved 1 million subscribers, guys. This is way more than what I can think of. 1 million is not a small number. Thank you so much. And I'm just a very proud employee at this moment. Hey guys, guess what?
Button.
Bongo has the golden play button. Finally. It's the first gold button in the country.
Everyone.
This is our publishing team and our YouTube team works here. This is where people are working all day and night long to give the best support to all the creators and all the companies who's with us under our
If you
MCN.
want one of this, come see us.
Yeah, and he is Mr. YouTube of Bongo. That's it. Thank you so much, Carol. সবাইকে বাংলায় ধন্যবাদ বলো.
অনেক ধন্যবাদ.
Without you, this wouldn't be possible, guys. Thank you so much. And this one's to you only.